Yo, what is going on, guys? Drake here with SimUnlockPhone.com, and in today's video we have a tutorial for you guys for how to unlock your iPhone X. So this is a tutorial if you're on an AT&T network for how to unlock the iPhone X, and all you have to do is follow along with these steps in the video and then it will be done. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so to begin, what you're going to want to do is find the IMEI number on your iPhone. So what you're going to want to do is scroll down to General, and then About, and scroll down, and eventually you'll find your IMEI number. Now this is usually a 15-digit number, but once you find it, just copy it, write it down somewhere, make sure that you have it ready to go for the next step in the process. And now the next step will be to go to the website, which will be down in the description below, SimUnlockPhone.com. And once you get to the website, all you're going to want to do is go to Shop, and then iPhone Unlock for AT&T. Now all of our iPhone AT&T unlocks are all under one listing, so all you have to do is make sure that you fill out the model of your phone, as well as the IMEI number from earlier, and the status of your IMEI. Once you fill all this information out and submit it, all you have to do from there is check out for your order. Following checking out with your order, you will then receive an email within a week from SimUnlock Phone saying that your phone is unlocked, and all you have to do is follow along with these last few steps to complete the process. So, for example, we are using an AT&T iPhone X and we're going to unlock it to the T-Mobile network, so I'm going to show you what we're going to do here. Again, it's very simple, and all that we're going to want to do is take a SIM card that's from a different carrier. For example, I have a T-Mobile SIM card here with me, so we're going to use this one, and we just want to swap out the current SIM card that's in here with one from a different carrier. So I'm going to do this real quick and I'll be back. And alright guys, all you have to do is plug in the SIM card that's from the different carrier. And in some situations, depending on the phone that you have, you might have to connect to Wi-Fi to complete your unlock there. Or if you have a computer on iTunes, all you have to do is connect it to there, and then it will be done. So that's going to do it for this video, guys. We wanted to show you guys the complete tutorial for how to unlock your iPhone X on the AT&T network. Again, this works for just about any other iPhone and any other carrier. This one was just specifically for that one. If this tutorial did help, be sure to leave us a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel. And signing off, this is Drake with SimUnlock Phone. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.